Good morning mga ka-realtor, another house, another day. So nata karon sa Frontera Subdivision. So kini siya nga house and lot is for sale. So lot area is 150 square meter and floor area is 89 square meter. So mao ni siya ang balay. So luwag pa kayo ang area. So pwede pa gid nimo ni siya i-extend or imuhang bungkagon ng balay. So magtukod ka og 2-story or 3-story house. So ang price ani is 3.5 million. So clean title, updated ang tax declaration. So this is Albert, the licensed real estate salesperson. Good morning and God bless. Thank you.